In this lesson, I want to show you how to check to make sure that your content is showing, accurately on each device. So when you're creating your website, you want to make sure you're showing good on the phone, the tablet, and other devices. And the way that you can do that with Page Builder is very, very simple. Now, before they had this, I had to go to another website and put in the website address to see how it looks. But they've done that legwork for you. So all that you need to do is at the very bottom of here, you can see three icons. You have the desktop or the computer, you have, the tablet, and you have the phone. So as you're editing your work, you can check on this to see how it looks for each part. So if you want to make sure something shows on the right part or is shown properly, you can do that. So let's say that if I didn't want this section here to show up on the phone. So what I'm going to do is I can click on this. So I can click on this here. And by the way, you can make some more changes. You can duplicate, you can clone, you can copy, and you can delete by clicking one of these. So let's say if I did not want this entire section to show up on the mobile phone, how do you do that? So let's fix that now. When you click on responsive, I can choose to hide on mobile. So the moment that I do that, that section automatically disappears. So this is not going to be shown on the mobile phone now. Well, let's go over to the tablet view. It's shown on the tablet view and it's shown on the desktop view. But if I go to the mobile, because I've told the system, listen, I don't want you to show this on the mobile phone, that's what's going to happen. Let's do the same thing on the desktop. It shows here. Let's go to the tablet. It's shown there. When you go over to the desktop, it's not shown there. So this gives you a lot of flexibility in order for you to be able to make the changes that you need to make sure that everything is shown responsive and shown on the devices that you want.